Hello guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how to rotate images or videos that you add on the CapCut PC. So in here, I've already add both videos and also pictures. And to rotate, it's basically so easy. You can just click on the clip or image that you want to rotate, and then in here you'll find a rotate button. This one's right here. If you put your cursor in here, there will be a rotate. It says rotate, so just click on this and your video will be rotating. You can just choose the directions that you want, for example like this, and it's also the same with images. So just click on the image and click on rotate, and just like that, the image will be rotating. Okay, so that's all for me. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, click on the thanks, and also comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to this channel. Bye.